I'm sitting in front of AutoZone. I just picked up my new obligatory Ford hat from AutoZone, as well as a steering wheel cover and some cheap shades because I forgot my usual steel sunglasses that I like to wear. So we're gonna hit the road and see how well this beast does. Put about 21 gallons of fuel in the tank, so hopefully that ought to get us a good ways down the road. I'm gonna leave the steering wheel cover sitting on the dash, let it heat up so that here in a little bit it'll be easier to put on, and yeah, we'll get back with you. I used to have a 2003 Sport Track. I've wanted another one, and I scored this little 2005 Sport Track Adrenaline model, and didn't even know these things existed until a short while ago, so kind of excited about the particular model I got, and I will tell you why later on when we stop, and we'll talk about it. Alright, I'm gonna hit the road. Oh yeah, I also forgot a charger cord for my iPhone, so I gotta plug that in and get her charging. Alright, here we go on our journey. I am in Boise, Idaho. I just flew in from Midland, Texas to pick up a 2005 Sport Track Adrenaline, bright red with a tan leather interior, and my hopes is that this vehicle will get me home. I paid for it, so it's mine, and the only thing major that I do find wrong is the sunroof in this particular vehicle is not functioning. It will open for ventilation, but it will not open up all the way. It will not recess and go back down into the cavity and leave you beautiful air. But I'm gonna be on the interstate, so not such a big deal to me. All right, let's roll. Alright, here we are at the site of the Golden Spike, north of Salt Lake City. First road trip with the Sport Track. Sitting at Promontory Point, 4,905 feet. Alright, I am taking exits 362 here at Brigham City in Utah, because I'm hungry and I need to fuel up before I hit Salt Lake City. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yippee skippy. Put 17.1 gallons in the fuel cell, and we have gone 300 and We've gone 330 miles, and that's 19.3 miles per gallon. And we're only about 300 miles away from rolling 150,000 miles on this thing. So, alright, so that's our fuel mileage update.